How to turn off or disable a laptop keyboard. Welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to turn off or disable a laptop keyboard. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Suppose if you are using a touchscreen laptop and you want to temporarily disable the keyboard, this video will help. First of all, you need to simply click on Windows and you need to simply click on the search bar next to it and you need to simply type in device manager. If you found the app, click open button to access device manager. A new windows appear where from the among the device list locate and you simply need to right click on your installed keyboard driver and then you can see on install device option. You need to click on it and a warning box appear on your screen where you have to simply click on uninstall button and then click on yes in the system setting change box. After that, this will temporarily disable your keyboard on your device. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.